As we age, our nutritional needs change, making healthy snacking especially important for seniors over 60. Choosing the right snacks can help maintain energy levels, support immune function, and promote overall well-being. Proper nutrition has been linked to increased longevity, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Healthy snacks provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that might be lacking in regular meals. By making mindful choices, seniors can enjoy better health, improved mood, and greater independence. Ultimately, nutritious snacking is a simple yet powerful way to enhance quality of life in the golden years. As people age, their nutritional needs change to support overall health and well-being. Individuals over 60 require higher amounts of protein to help maintain muscle mass and strength. Fiber becomes increasingly important for digestive health and to help manage cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Essential vitamins, such as vitamin D and B12, play a crucial role in bone health and energy production. Additionally, minerals like calcium and potassium support bone density and heart function. Ensuring a balanced diet with these nutrients can help older adults maintain vitality and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Nutrient-dense snacks are foods that provide a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients relative to their calorie content. Choosing these types of snacks can play a significant role in supporting healthy aging. They help maintain energy levels, support immune function, and promote muscle and bone health. Foods like nuts, yogurt, fresh fruits, and vegetables are excellent examples, offering important nutrients without excess sugars or unhealthy fats. Regularly opting for nutrient-dense snacks can also help manage weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By making mindful snack choices, older adults can better meet their nutritional needs and enhance overall well-being. Greek yogurt with berries is a nutritious snack that combines creamy texture with a burst of natural sweetness. This pairing is rich in protein, which supports muscle maintenance and keeps you feeling full longer. The berries add a generous dose of antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage. Additionally, Greek yogurt is a good source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Together, these ingredients contribute to both bone strength and a healthy immune system, making this snack a smart and delicious choice. Mixed nuts and seeds are a smart snack choice, offering a blend of heart-healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds each contribute unique nutrients, such as magnesium, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. These components support both brain function and cardiovascular health, helping to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, the combination of healthy fats and fiber helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can be a simple way to boost overall wellness. Sliced vegetables paired with hummus make for a nutritious and satisfying snack. The vegetables provide a rich source of fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps you feel full longer. Hummus, made from chickpeas, offers plant-based protein that contributes to muscle maintenance and overall wellness. This combination is not only delicious but also easy to prepare and enjoy on the go. Together, they deliver a balance of nutrients that promote digestive health and sustained energy throughout the day. Apple slices paired with almond butter make for a satisfying and nutritious snack. The crispness of the apple provides a good source of fiber, while the almond butter adds healthy fats and a creamy texture. This combination not only keeps you feeling full longer, but also offers a natural sweetness without added sugars. It's a simple yet delicious way to fuel your body between meals. Plus, the mix of nutrients supports steady energy levels throughout the day. Cottage cheese paired with pineapple or peaches offers a delicious and nutritious snack option. This combination provides a rich source of calcium and protein, both essential for maintaining strong bones and supporting muscle health. The addition of fruit not only adds natural sweetness, but also supplies important vitamins and antioxidants. Together, these ingredients help promote bone strength and overall well-being. It's a simple, satisfying snack that delivers both flavor and nourishment. Whole grain crackers paired with avocado make a nutritious and satisfying snack. The crackers provide a good source of fiber, supporting digestive health and helping you feel full longer. Avocado adds healthy fats, which are essential for maintaining heart health and supporting brain function. This combination also delivers important vitamins, such as vitamin E and potassium. Together, they create a balanced snack that's both tasty and beneficial for your overall well-being. Boiled eggs are a classic snack choice, valued for their simplicity and convenience. They provide high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall health. In addition to protein, boiled eggs offer important nutrients, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and healthy fats. Their compact size makes them easy to pack for work, school, or travel. With minimal preparation required, boiled eggs are a practical option for anyone seeking a nutritious, satisfying snack. Oatmeal Energy Bites are a simple yet powerful snack option, especially for those looking to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Made with wholesome oats, these bites are packed with fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. They often include ingredients like nut butter, seeds, and a touch of honey or dried fruit for natural sweetness. This combination not only provides long-lasting energy, but also helps curb cravings between meals. Easy to prepare at home, Oatmeal Energy Bites are both convenient and nutritious, making them an excellent choice for a balanced snack. Edamame is a powerhouse snack packed with plant-based protein and essential antioxidants. These young soybeans are not only delicious, but also support muscle repair and growth, making them an excellent choice for active lifestyles. The antioxidants found in edamame help protect your cells from damage and promote overall cellular health. With their satisfying texture and mild flavor, edamame can be enjoyed steamed, lightly salted, or tossed into salads. This nutrient-rich snack is both convenient and nourishing, offering a smart way to fuel your body throughout the day. Fresh fruit salad is a vibrant and refreshing snack option, perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings in a healthy way. Combining a variety of fruits not only creates an appealing mix of colors and textures, but also delivers a powerful dose of essential vitamins and minerals. The high water content in fruits helps keep you hydrated throughout the day. Additionally, fruits are rich in phytonutrients, which support overall wellness and may help protect against certain diseases. Enjoying a fruit salad is a delicious way to nourish your body and boost your energy naturally. Preparing healthy snacks in advance can make it much easier to maintain nutritious eating habits throughout the week. Start by choosing a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains that can be easily portioned and stored. Wash and cut produce ahead of time, then store them in airtight containers to preserve their freshness. For snacks like trail mix or yogurt parfaits, assemble individual servings so they're ready to grab and go. Using clear containers can help you quickly see what's available, reducing the temptation to reach for less healthy options. Remember to keep perishable snacks refrigerated and check expiration dates regularly. By planning ahead, you'll always have wholesome options at your fingertips, making healthy choices more convenient. Maintaining good nutrition becomes increasingly important as we age. Seniors can benefit from paying attention to portion sizes, ensuring meals are balanced without overeating. Staying hydrated is also essential, so aim to drink water regularly throughout the day. Mindful eating, such as taking time to enjoy each bite and listening to hunger cues, can help prevent unnecessary snacking. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports overall health. By making these simple adjustments, seniors can enhance their well-being and maintain energy levels. Incorporating healthy snacks into your daily routine can support both your energy levels and long-term well-being. Aim to enjoy these snacks between meals, choosing nutrient-dense options like nuts, fruits, or yogurt to keep you satisfied and nourished. Pairing snacks with a source of protein or healthy fat can help stabilize blood sugar and prevent energy crashes. It's important to listen to your body's hunger cues and avoid mindless snacking. By planning your snacks ahead of time and keeping portions moderate, you can maintain a balanced diet that supports longevity. Remember, variety is key. Rotating different snacks ensures you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients throughout the week. When selecting snacks, it's important to be mindful of common pitfalls that can undermine your healthy eating goals. Many packaged snacks contain high amounts of added sugars, which can contribute to energy crashes and long-term health issues. Excessive sodium is another concern, as it can lead to increased blood pressure and other cardiovascular problems. Always check nutrition labels carefully, looking for hidden sources of sugar and salt. Opting for whole, minimally processed foods can help you steer clear of these common traps. By making informed choices, you can enjoy snacks that support your overall well-being. When it comes to making decisions about your diet and nutrition, everyone's needs are unique. Consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians can provide guidance tailored specifically to your health goals, medical history, and lifestyle. These experts can help you navigate complex information, address any concerns, and develop a plan that works best for you. Personalized advice ensures that your nutritional choices support your overall well-being and long-term health. In summary, we've explored the top 10 healthy snacks that can support well-being and vitality after the age of 60. Each option, from nutrient-rich nuts and seeds to fresh fruits, yogurt, and whole-grain crackers, offers unique benefits for maintaining energy and supporting overall health. Choosing snacks that are high in fiber, protein, and essential vitamins can help manage weight, stabilize blood sugar, and promote heart health. Smart snacking isn't just about satisfying hunger. It's a key strategy for nourishing the body and supporting longevity. By making thoughtful choices, older adults can enjoy delicious foods while also investing in their long-term wellness.